Hello, I'm here in the MFIS office with Susan Becker, a volunteer who's been with the MFIS almost since its beginning. That's the Madison Friends of International Students. Susan may have been at the 1991 event. We have her husband Radley Becker listed as attending that day, and usually wherever he is, she is, especially if it's a peace event. Susan, can you remember back in 1991 which groups you were working with?
I was working with Madison Friends of International Students and with Church Women United. Those are the two that come to mind right off the top of my head.
Susan is a contact for two of our member groups now, the Church Women United of Madison and also of Dane County or the state.
Yes, the state.
The state. And how does WMPJ help you out? How does being a contact help you?
Well, by giving us lots of information about things that are going on around the state and in the state capitol, and allowing us to participate in peacemaking.
Great. And Susan, I hope you and Radley come to our February 19th event. We're going to have a big party, and we'd love to have you there.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Goodbye.